Okay, so today, class, we're going to be learning the C.U.B.E.S math strategy. That way we can persevere in solving our problems, and it'll help us make sense of our word problems, okay? Does anybody know what C.U.B.E.S stands for? No? Okay, well, the C stands for circle our numbers. The U stands for underline the question. The B stands for box math action words. Does anybody know what a math action word is? You can just shout it out if you know it. Add. What's another one? Times. Anything else? Nope. Those are our little cues that tell us what we're going to do in the problem. Okay, E means evaluate. So it's going to tell us, we're going to think, what do I need to do to solve this problem? And then the S in C.U.B.E.S stands for solve. Okay, so in order to help us remember C.U.B.E.S, I have a song for you that we're going to sing together to the tune of Farmer in the Dell. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. C.U.B.E.S, C.U.B.E.S, hi-ho, the strategy I know. C.U.B.E.S, circle around the numbers, circle around the numbers. Hi-ho, a trick I know. Circle around the numbers, underline the question, underline the question. Hi-ho, a trick I know. Underline the question. Box the action words, box the action words. Hi-ho, a trick I know. Box the action words. Evaluate the problem, evaluate the problem. What do I do? Evaluate the problem. Solve and check my answer, solve and check my answer. Woo, I'm almost through. Solve and check my answer. Good job. Okay, so our first step of C.U.B.E.S is C, circle our numbers. In this problem, Giovanni works at Hannah One Stop Sub Shop. Before the deli opened today, he chopped 1 1/4 pounds of white onions and 8 1/2 pounds of red onions. How many pounds of onions did he chop in all? Corinne, will you come and do part C of C.U.B.E.S? Perfect, thank you. Morgan, will you come and do part U of C.U.B.E.S?
Sure.
Thanks. Perfect. Matt, will you come up and do part B, box our math action word?
I will.
Thank you.
Very welcome.
And why are you boxing in all?
Because it tells me that in this problem, I should add our two numbers.
Perfect, thank you. Aaron, will you come and evaluate and solve for us?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the first thing that you're going to do?
I know that there are 8 1/2 pounds of red onions and 1 1/4 pounds of white onions. And I know I have to add them together, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture.
Okay, perfect.
So I'm going to draw 8 and then 1/2, and I'm going to fill them in.
Okay.
And then below it, I'm going to draw my 1 1/4. So I'm going to split this last one into 4 pieces and only fill in the 1/4. And then when I add them together, I know that I have 9 whole circles, so I'm going to draw 9. Fill them in. And I know I have a half, and I know I have a fourth, which does not make a whole, so I'm going to split it into 4s. I have my 1/4, and then I'm going to fill in another half of it, so I have 9 3/4 pounds of onions.
Perfect. Thank you for attending to precision with your labels. Does everybody now understand how to do C.U.B.E.S? Does anybody have any questions on C.U.B.E.S? No. Perfect. Okay, so you're all going to get your own problems that you can work through C.U.B.E.S, and then we're going to share them with the class, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.